Good morning everyone. Students, in last class we have completed our 5th chapter, My Family. Today we will start our new chapter, 6th chapter, Clothes We Wear. Today we will revise our 6th chapter. Okay. Now, students, we wear clothes to cover our body. You know why we wear clothes? You all know the reasons why we wear clothes? We wear clothes to cover our body. Clothes protect us from heat, dust and rain. We wear different kinds of clothes at different times. Now I will explain you. Students, to look beautiful and smart, we cover our body with clothes. Clothes help us to protect us from different seasons. Just like in winters, we wear woolen clothes. In summers, we wear cotton clothes. In rainy season, we wear raincoat, umbrella, gumboot, etc. Means clothes protect us from the weather difficulties. We wear different kinds of clothes at different times. Means we wear clothes according to the season or according to weather, you can say. Now we will discuss cotton clothes in summer. When it is hot and sunny, we wear clothes made of cotton. Which type of clothes we wear in winters? Woolen clothes. But in summer we wear cotton clothes. Just like t-shirts, vests, shorts, etc. Why we wear cotton clothes in summer? Why we wear cotton clothes in summer? We wear cotton clothes in summer because they keep us cool. Because they can absorb our sweat and keep us cool. Okay? कॉटन क्लॉथ्स जो है वो पसीने को सोख लेते हैं और हमें ठंडा फील कराते हैं. ओके. Now we will discuss woolen clothes. We wear woolen clothes in winter. When it is cold, we wear woolen clothes such as jackets, sweaters, mufflers, caps and gloves. You know why we wear woolen clothes in winter? We wear woolen clothes in winter because woolen clothes keep us warm. When we feel warm in winter, then they save us from the illness. Okay? Woolen clothes save us from illness. If we feel cold in winter, then we can be sick. By wearing woolen clothes in winter, we feel warm and we feel safe. No more. Heat, cold and rain affect plants and animals too. Students, only human beings are not feel heat, cold and rain. Animals and plants also feel heat, cold and rain. Okay. Raincoats and umbrellas in rainy season. Students, when our season is rainy season, then we wear raincoats, umbrellas and gumboots. Why we wear raincoats, umbrella and gumboots in rainy season? Because they keep us dry. Because they keep us dry. When it is raining, we wear raincoats and use umbrellas. We also wear gumboots to keep our feet and shoes dry. Okay? Now you can understand? if we wear raincoat and use umbrella and gum boots, then our body will be dry. Okay, and we can be safe from rain. Okay, now other types of clothes are there, that is uniform. You know students, uniform? Yes, you know uniform because you also wear uniform in the school. Okay, many people wear uniforms to work. School children, policemen and policewomen, soldiers, nurse and pilots wear different kinds of uniforms. Students, you also wear uniforms? School uniform? Like that, doctor also wear doctor coat. You can see doctor wearing a doctor coat, means this is the uniform of doctor. Nurse also wear a nurse dress with this cap symbol. Okay, this is the nurse uniform. Chefs also wear uniform. Soldiers also wear uniform. Firefighters also wear uniforms. Judge is also wearing uniform. Means different kinds of people wear different types of dresses according to their jobs. Okay, different kinds of people wear different kinds of dresses according to their work. Okay, now students, let us recall this chapter again. You can forget if we will not recall. Okay, to remind it, recall it. Clothes. Why we wear clothes? To protect us from heat, cold, dust, rain. Okay, clothes. Why we wear clothes? Protect us from heat, cold, dust, rain. Different kinds of clothes. Clothes, different kinds of clothes, here different types of clothes. When we wear different which type of clothes we wear in which season? Winter. Woolen clothes. We wear woolen clothes in winter. When we wear woolen clothes in winter. When we wear cotton clothes? In summer. In summer we wear cotton clothes. Rain. Which type of clothes we wear in rain? Raincoats and umbrellas and gumboots also used in rainy season. One more type is uniforms. Different kinds of people are wearing different kinds of uniforms according to their work. Students, now your homework is learn the spellings of seasons: winter, summer, rain, and learn the spellings of the types of clothes: woolen, cotton, raincoat, umbrellas. Okay, you have to learn all these spellings. And one more homework is read this lesson properly and revise its exercise also. If you have any doubt, then I will clear in next class. I will revise your exercise also. Okay, so for that you have to remind all these things. You have to prepare well for your next class. Students, now this much is enough for today. Okay, bye bye, take care.